On this week's episode of In the Kitchen with Ollie, Salmon Fish Pie. For this fish pie, start with placing salmon in a pot. Pour in almond milk or milk of your choice. Add aromatic seasoning or salt, some ground black pepper, half of a red onion thinly sliced, unsalted butter, garlic granules or fresh garlic, and ginger puree. Cover with lid and bring the milk to boil on a medium to high heat. Lower the heat and simmer for 8 to 10 minutes. Place the salmon in a container to cool slightly. Remove any bones and skin, then break the salmon into chunks. Save the seasoned milk in a container for later use. Shallow fry 1/2 of a thinly sliced red onion over medium to high heat. Add garlic granules or fresh garlic, some aromatic seasoning or salt. Add in some baby spinach. Add ginger puree or ground ginger. You can either add 1 to 2 tablespoons of plain flour or use the seasoned flour I used in a previous recipe. A link to that recipe is included in the description below. Gradually pour in the seasoned milk, make sure to stir constantly, and cook on a medium to low heat until it has thickened. Season the sauce to your liking. Add the salmon chunks to the sauce. Cover with lid and set aside. Add boiling water to a pot. Add aromatic seasoning or salt. To the pot, add roughly diced potatoes. Cover with lid and boil potatoes until they're a little soft. Drain the water and rinse the potatoes under cold running water. Place the cooked potatoes in a bowl and mash. To a microwavable container, add unsalted butter, ground black pepper, dried parsley, mozzarella cheese, double cream or single cream. Add the melted butter mixture to the mashed potatoes. Although I use 4 separate baking trays, using just one baking dish is definitely simpler. Spoon the salmon mixture first. Add the mashed potatoes on top, then spread the mash over the salmon using a fork. Bake in a preheated oven set at 170 degrees Celsius for 25 to 30 minutes or until golden brown. And that's it. I'm so happy with how this pie looks, smells, and how it tasted. It was so simple, but so flavorful. This pie is a solid 8 out of 10. Thank you all for watching. It means a lot. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Share this video and others with your friends and family. Love you all and God bless.